If you have old, outdated can lights in your kitchen, your rest of your home, your office, I highly recommend this Sunco LED retrofit light, and it's got multiple selectors for color on the back. It's really easy to use. This just connects into an adapter that will screw into a regular socket. So let me replace these. I'll show you the amazing difference that these lights make. Let me show you what comes in the box. This is a 12-piece lighting kit. As I showed you, here is the light fixture, and it has a connector that will connect up with this that just screws into your old socket. So very easy. You just connect these together, screw that in, and you are done. You've got a selection of the light color on the back. You have your selection from 2700 to 5000K, and these are great. They are only 13 watts, 965 lumens. Love the fact of how they're just one piece, very easy to look with, very sleek. Really nice instruction manual, very easy to follow. So to change out your old light, make sure the power's off at your circuit breaker, and either wait for your bulb to cool down, or you can use a towel, as this bulb is actually very hot. There should be some springs up here that you can disconnect. They should come right out. Okay, and then the old can should come out. You can see how nasty that is. I've been up there for many years, and you may need to clean this area up a little bit. Then take the adapter and just screw it into the socket just like you would a light bulb until it is snug. That wire will be hanging down. Then get your LED, and on the back is your color setting. I'm going to slide it all the way over to 5000K. I like the bright white. If you like it more yellow, all the way over to the left to 2700. Then you want to take these springs of sort and just slip them in with the rectangular side slipping in, and that will snap in on each side. And then in the can, find the slots. They should be, in mine, they're like a diagonal type slot, and you want to compress this spring and put it up into the slot. You can start with the first one, and that'll allow you to easily connect the wire here. Press that in until it snaps. Just make sure the wire is out of the way, and then get the other side in to those slots, and then all you have to do is push up, and it should pull it up really tight. It's flush with the ceiling, looks great. And then let me get some power to this, and we'll see if this powers up. Looks great, nice and bright. I like that really white light. Look at the difference between this new Sunco LED retrofitted light I just put in and my old can light with a bulb in it. A huge difference. Just love the bright light, just the flushness of this. Check this out. Just look at just how clean that is compared to this just ugly thing. You can still see up into there and see part of the can. It's just a massive difference. So I've got the Sunco lights installed now. They were really easy, very quick install, and they look great. Our kitchen is noticeably brighter. I can't tell you, it's hard to tell from the video, but it is way brighter than it was. I can tell that things in here are just illuminated a lot more than my old lights. So hopefully this helps you as you consider your LED replacements. I highly recommend these Sunco replacements. So thanks for watching my review.